1957 Chevy Bel Air. I just installed the motor. As you can see, I still got the lift bar on it. It's a total restoration. I'm not gonna make it into a show car or anything of that means. I just wanna get it on the road. 6-ton jacks. This is the whole quarter pounder. I cut that up, and I'm gonna be installing the quarter pounder, which I got on top of this car. And I got the hood over there. I got a trunk floor. So you'll be seeing more of this car. The whole floor painted in. I do want to focus on the motor though. At least to get it running and see what it does. You guys have any questions or anything? You can leave me a comment. I'm gonna try to be posting more of these pictures up. Cool. Thank you guys. So I just dropped off the Bel Air. Fits perfectly in the garage. 1957 project. Some bundle work. I gotta take out this tower so I can put in the other exhaust. You see it up there. Jacks in the meantime. Whoever had this car previously put these brackets in the wrong location, so I'm gonna put it in the right location. You can tell how rusty the car was. Which is not so bad. Turn that down a little bit.